What's happening? What's up with it? About 10 minutes out. I know you feel it because I do. Yeah. Seattle, Russell, Sierra, whatever. Niggas getting hyped. And niggas getting pretty pumped right now. It's going through my veins. I'm not even gonna lie. I feel like I could run through a wall. My kids likely feeling it too. It's time for the Niners against Seattle. It's time for us to, as a great poet once said, give them the lethal injection. 6 feet deep. Time to go to sleep, Seattle. It's time to put an end to 10 years of Russell Wilson being a prick chef. He's not a prick. He's a pretty good dude. He seems to be. He's taking care of Future's child. You know, uh, he's an alright guy, but I hate his fucking guts. I can't stand him. I can't stand their coach. I can't stand the defensive coordinator, Ken Norton. Can't stand anybody really over there. And he used to play for us. He won a Super Bowl with us. And he had the nerve to take a job in the Pacific Northwest in a rainy ass town that no one even really knows exists. Reminds you of the Wizard of Oz. It's alright though, because today is the day. Jimmy, this is to you, man. It can be your day. This can be your day, Jimmy Garoppolo. This could be the day that you quite possibly get the state of California, the cities plural of San Francisco and Santa Clara off your ass forever. Play your game, Jimmy. Your good game, not your bad game. And the Niners get this W. I don't think it's going to be easy at first. I think it's going to be difficult at first. I'm sure that crowd is probably, going crazy right now. But those pretty white uniforms of the 49ers are on the field to shut those people up, man. So, um, again, we're probably about, less than between 10 to 5 minutes until kickoff. Faithful, bring that shit, bring that noise. Uh, don't let Seattle and those sorry ass people that live in that city make things difficult for our folks, man. Uh, don't start any fights. That's what I don't want to see. I don't want to see the 49ers on the news today outside of ESPN with a W. You feel what I'm saying? So, shout out to the Niners. Shout out to Jimmy Garoppolo. Shout out to Kyle Shanahan. Do your jobs today, man. That's what a man does. A man does his job. And you two got one to do. Faithful. Y'all be safe. Not a gang or don't bang.